Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So it's been a while, but we'll do a $1 coin roll hunt, and yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully, we can find something worth keeping. It's always a bit hit and miss with $1 coin roll hunts. And nothing in the first roll. Alright, I think in the interest of saving time, I might even just pre-open up 5 or 6 rolls, because I don't have any fingernails right now. So I'll do that after this roll, and we'll get back into it. Alright guys, I'll be back in one moment. Alright guys, I've pre-opened 5 or 6 rolls, so that should save us having to do that. Nothing much yet. All as it should be. So 2015 Anzac, so it's a low mintage coin. So we'll keep that one. The one I've been looking for many years is the 2007 Mob of Ruse, which is only available in a set, but sometimes they do find their way into circulation, and but I've never found one, but I've seen others find them. All those are done. (2018). So I'm still keeping each of these. I really don't come across many where I am, so in my book it's still a keeper, but it may not be for you. If you're coming across plenty of them, then probably best just to keep a few. But for me, the numbers I'm coming through aren't anything substantial, so I'm just going to keep holding them until the mint figures come out. And here's a 2019, what is it? It's an S. So I'm still keeping these at the moment, but that might change later on. I am still finding plenty of them. It's a little bit off center, but not really enough to warrant keeping. No extra value in that one. On the 2011, I haven't found one for a fair while, but there is ones with a little cud on the shoulder of the large roux. So keep an eye out for that. Another S. 2019. What's this coin? No. Sorry, they're a bit off camera. Another 2018, so that's a couple of those today. Alright guys, I think we'll do 2 more rolls and we'll call it a day. It's certainly getting tougher and tougher to find even rabbit ears. I know certainly when I started collecting coins, I was finding rabbit ears every session, but not these days. Another 2019. This is a U coin. So I think we've got a couple of S's and a U. This is a little bit different. I don't believe it's an error. I'd have to weigh it. Yeah, I'll put it aside for now and I'll have a little closer look at that one. Sometimes people have gone at them with a what are they called, like a Dremel on the end of a drill and just sort of flattened it out. It does look quite good where you sort of got this silhouette sort of look about her, but yeah, I'm not sure. I have come across quite a few where they look very shiny, and maybe that one was shiny at some stage, and it's been put back into circulation and worn the way it has, so maybe that's the reason why it looks a little bit different. We got a Gold Coast. Seem to be finding a fair few of these Gold Coast Commonwealth Games coins. So 2018. I'm fairly certain they're not meant for circulation, but I'll keep that one aside. I've been keeping every one that I do find. Last coin. Alright guys, so let's wrap this up. And what have I done there? Alright, so what have we found for today? So we did 10 rolls, and I think we ended up with a couple of 2018s. Yep. A couple of 2018s. At 2015, this particular coin here, which Don't really believe there's an error coin. And 3 of the 2019 U and SS coins. Alright, not too bad, not too great either, but certainly some keepers there for now. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Thanks for watching.